Ever closed a deal and felt a surge of accomplishment, only to be left wondering, where's the reward? Sales is a competitive world, and companies understand that motivating their reps is key to driving results. That's where spiffs come in. But have you ever stopped to think, how exactly do spiffs get paid? What are spiffs? SPIFFs, which stand for Sales Performance Incentive Fund, are bonus programs designed to incentivize salespeople for exceeding goals or achieving specific targets. They can be offered for a variety of achievements, like exceeding monthly quotas, closing high-value deals, or acquiring new customer segments. The allure of SPIFFs. SPIFFs are a powerful tool. They can ignite a fire under even the most seasoned rep. Imagine closing a deal that not only earns you your base commission, but also throws a hefty spiff bonus on top. That extra cash can be a game changer, fueling a luxurious vacation, a dream car down payment, or simply giving your financial well-being a nice boost. The different types of spiffs. Not all spiffs are created equal. There are a few main categories to consider. Cash bonuses, the most straightforward option, a good old-fashioned cash injection directly into your bank account. Prepaid cards, similar to cash, but often restricted to specific purchases like travel or electronics. Merchandise, companies may offer branded merchandise or gift certificates as rewards. Think company jackets, tech gadgets, or shopping sprees. Experiences, some companies get creative, offering trips, event tickets, or exclusive experiences as spiff rewards. The mechanics of spiff payment. Alright, so you've crushed your goals and earned that spiff. Now how does the money actually get into your hands? Here's the breakdown. Tracking and reporting. Most companies utilize a system to track sales activity and spiff eligibility. This might involve CRM software or dedicated spiff tracking platforms. Verification and approval. Your manager or a designated team member typically verifies your achievement and approves the spiff payout. Payment processing. Once approved, the company might have different payment methods depending on the spiff type. Cash bonuses might be deposited directly into your paycheck, while prepaid cards or merchandise could be mailed or distributed electronically. Tax implications of spiffs. It's important to remember, spiffs are considered taxable income. The company will likely withhold taxes before issuing the payment. Be sure to factor this in when calculating your expected payout. For specifics, it's always best to consult a tax professional. The pros and cons of spiff programs. Spiffs can be a win-win situation. Companies get a boost in sales, while reps are rewarded for exceptional performance. However, there are a few things to consider. Short-term focus. Spiff programs can incentivize short-term gains over long-term customer relationships. Internal competition. Unrealistic or poorly structured spiffs can create unhealthy competition within sales teams. Unsustainable costs. High-value spiffs can strain a company's budget if not carefully managed. Negotiating your spiffs. Don't be afraid to negotiate your spiff structure. Research industry standards for similar roles, understand your company's typical spiff payouts, and be prepared to present a clear case for why you deserve a higher incentive. Final thoughts. Spiffs can be a powerful motivator, but understanding the mechanics behind them empowers you as a salesperson. Remember, track your progress, know your earning potential, and advocate for fair and sustainable incentive programs. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exceeding those goals and reaping the rewards.